Hello and welcome. I'm going to be answering NECO 2019 Economics Objective Past Question 34. Average fixed cost multiplied by the quantity produced is equal to dash cost. A. Average. B. Average fixed. C. Marginal. D. Total. E. Total fixed. So we are given an expression here. So average fixed cost, when it is multiplied by quantity produced, what is it equal to? So for average cost mathematically is usually given by total cost, which is represented as TC, divided by total output or quantity, which is Q. Now average fixed cost is fixed cost FC divided by quantity of output or total output, quantity of output, which is also Q. So for C, marginal cost is given by change in total cost, that is TC, divided by change in quantity produced, that is Q. Then D, total cost, is given by cost or total fixed cost, total fixed cost plus total variable cost. Now there is another formula for total cost. Total cost is also given as cost per unit multiplied by total quantity produced, that is Q. And then total fixed cost is basically given by total fixed cost is option E. So total fixed cost is also given by total cost minus total variable cost. Now cost per unit in a way can also be estimated as average fixed cost, so multiplied by total quantity, and we said that is another formula for total cost. So the correct answer to this question is D, total cost. So please subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers. Thank you.